Yes, another beautiful day to sell another beautiful home. Hey, I'm Brian Engel with Next Home West Metro, and I'm out here in Otsego, one of my newer listings, 14620 94th Street Northeast. There's a lot to talk about with this home in a little bit of time, so let's get inside and take a look at what the owners have done with this home over the 28 years that they've owned it. So one of the things I love about this home is the covered front porch. Allows you to sit out here in extremely warm weather like we're having today, or if it were to rain, you'd still be protected and be able to watch the world go by. So once you enter the home, you're going to be greeted with a couple stairs here. You've got a hallway that goes towards the garage, the office, and a full bath. And then over here you've got the living room where you can have your formal engagements. And over here, let's check out the kitchen. So in the kitchen we've got a nice large island, space enough for a couple stools to fit underneath it. You've got stainless refrigerator, stainless stove, gas stove, and then plenty of counter space to really do whatever you might want to do, whether it be cooking, cleaning, or maybe whipping up a vicious cup of coffee for your morning wake up. And then what you can do with that cup of coffee is you can come right out here onto the deck and really enjoy a spacious backyard. As it states in the listing, this home is 1.22 acres, and the home sits on the far left side of the lot if you're looking at it from the street. So you've got plenty of space to add to the garage, to put in a pickleball court or a tennis court or a basketball court or a hockey rink, whatever you might want to do, or just enjoy it how it is. And what a better place to do it than next to your nice wood-burning fireplace, staring at your big screen, or out your very scenic backyard. And if you need to get a little work done, you got that main level office just waiting for you. And in the basement, you've got a blank canvas. You've got an egress window, which means you got access for a bedroom down here, which could literally make this home a 5-bedroom home if you count the office as a potential bedroom as well. So as I mentioned, this home sits on the far left side of the lot as you face the lot from the road. So you've got this whole side to do with it what you want. A lot of the neighbors have pole barns. You can add to the garage. There's a number of different things you can do with this property to make it your own. 14620 94th Street Northeast in Otsego. The last thing I want to mention is this neighborhood has deeded access to 16 acres on the Mississippi River. It's a 2-minute walk down to the river. There's trails. You can let the dog run or walk the kayak down and drop in the river and kayak or canoe to your heart's content. Again, I'm Brian Engel with Next Home West Metro. Thanks for visiting.